welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we have a special treat for those who are gluten-free and lactose intolerant. We're going to show you how to make a delicious vanilla cake that's free of gluten and lactose, but still full of flavor. So, let's get started. Before we begin, let's go over the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. Ingredients: 2 cups of gluten-free all-purpose flour, 1½ cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of dairy-free butter, softened, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, or any dairy-free milk alternative, 3 teaspoons of gluten-free baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 4 large eggs. Step 1. Preparing the oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Step 2. Mixing the dry ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, combine the gluten-free all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, gluten-free baking powder, and salt. Whisk everything together until well combined. Step 3. Adding the wet ingredients. Next, the softened dairy-free butter, unsweetened almond milk, eggs, and vanilla extract to the dry mixture. Using an electric mixer, beat the ingredients on medium speed until the batter is smooth and well blended. Step 4. Greasing the cake pan. Now, grease a round cake pan with dairy-free butter or use parchment paper to prevent the cake from sticking. Make sure to coat the sides and the bottom of the pan evenly. Step 5. Baking the cake. Pour the batter into the prepared cake pan, spreading it evenly. Then, place the pan into the preheated oven and bake for approximately 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Step 6. Cooling and decorating. Once the cake is baked, remove it from the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then, transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. You can also refrigerate it for a while to make frosting easier. Now, let's move on to the fun part, decorating the cake. You can use a dairy-free frosting of your choice, like a coconut cream frosting or a vegan buttercream frosting. Get creative with your decoration by adding fresh fruits, nuts, or edible flowers on top. Step 7. Serving and enjoying. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your gluten-free and lactose-intolerant vanilla cake. Slice it up, and savor the delightful flavors of this allergy-friendly treat. And that's it. You've just learned how to make a delicious gluten-free and lactose-intolerant vanilla cake. Remember, you can always customize the recipe to suit your taste preferences. Happy baking! Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tasty and allergy-friendly recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!